Adding sound. Okay, so the first thing of adding sound is finding sound. So here's a couple tips. There's a million places on the internet to get sound. Sounddogs.com is pretty good because they're not tools and they have all these creative sound effects. They don't pay me to say they're not a tool, but I would just say that they offer this, and I can click here, and then it pops up here, and I can right click and save audio as. Now, whether they know that I can do that or not, I have no idea, but pretty cool. Now, that's an MP3. And MP3s are worthless when it comes down to the UDK. So what you do is get VLC Player, and VLC Player is amazing. I will plug that one. I'll say that this is my by far weapon of choice. So I can open this MP3 on my hard drive, which I did put in my work in progress directory just because I can keep track of it, even though it's not compatible. Oh, let's see what that's at. Perfection 3. No, back. Work in progress. Perfect. Okay, so click on it and convert. So I can convert the file, add here. You can drop this down to anything you want. For me, I want wave file. No, right, there's so many here. So here's audio. Wow, they do not have wave. I know why, because wave is old and ancient. Wonder what they mean by CD. Oh, probably. Huh. Let's go here. Oh, so wave of CD. Okay. Nice. Good. That works out quite well. Save. Okay, now this is going to put it within that folder and start. Then elves jump out of the middle of nowhere and take control, and yay, there's a WAV file. Sweet. Alright, into the UDK, where I go import. Let me guess it's not going to be there. Multi-channel sound wave. So I'm going to go star period star. And I'm going to see no wave file here. Okay, so let's find out where in the Carmen Sandiego world it put it. So I think this one's going to be my wave. Right click, show container. Okay, so that's MP3. That's good. And this one is also the same MP3. Did I plug this? Did I say this was awesome? I did, didn't I? Let's try that one more time. Maybe I forgot something. Convert and save. This. Convert. CD. And there it is. I bet you... No. Display the output. There we go. And destination file. Boy. That's what you get. Early in the morning. Yep. No coffee. You're here. wood splinter. There we go. Save. Start. All right. So we pull that out of here, and I should be able to now see by hitting F. Content. Work in progress. Wood splinter. All right. Now, package is 01 physics. Splinter. Auto create queue. Yes. Queue volume. Do leave that. Hit OK. And now we have in here splinter. Again, save. Okay, where that gets added is on the physics material. Right click. Now there's a physics in the queue. Let's try the wave first. Copy full name to clipboard. And we might have to add it to the queue. Yes, okay, queue. And just to make sure the queue is okay, just double click on it, should have it. So copy full name to clipboard. There we go, impact sound. The impact effect is going to be something different. It's going to be based upon probably a sprite or something. So we'll leave that one alone. And let's close that out. Again, always save. Okay, right click, play level from here. And you can kind of hear it. Yeah, I can hear it. It's just when you use your physics gun, you're not going to hear it. But when you shoot at it, you will. The problem is the gun is really loud compared to the splintering effect sound. Can you do anything about that? Well, you could try. You can. When the sound cue was imported, you could have like hit 1 on there instead of 0.75. Edit using sound cue editor. There it is. And here's your speaker where you could change to 1. And here's your MP3. You can also change this to high. Oh, that's for mobile detail though. You don't want that. Okay. Let's close that out. Again, saving. That's a little louder. And then back in the other thing, I can play it and might be able to hear it. A little bit. Oh, you can definitely hear it if you shoot this way. Cool. So that's how you add something like a sound effect to a physics asset. The last thing I'm going to show is like in here so I can save on a video. So if you double click on it, type in wake, and you can say wake on level start. Let's say you wanted it to bust apart. I don't know why you would do this, but bust apart when you first open up the level. You can put wake on level start on, right click, play from here, and you can see it automatically busts apart. Again, there might be need of that, but for me, I like having it when a player wants to break it, it happens. But there it is, just in case. Alright, so that is physics assets in a nutshell, 4 videos long. So enjoy.